Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Andrew here, SoCal Tesla Runs. Today we're going to be talking about the Tesla Core backpack. I just got it. It just came in the mail. I ordered it maybe about a month ago, so it finally shipped out. The shipping dates kind of changed. Like one day it said June 18, one day it said June 7, and it just kept like fluctuating till finally it arrived today. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Tesla Core backpack, what it looks like. I'll be doing an unboxing video as well. I'll be showing you guys, this is the first time I'm going to be showing you guys. I've never seen one in person yet. So I'm going to be taking everything out of the box. I'll be showing you guys everything. So hope you enjoy it. All right, so I'm going to be taking it out of its box now. It came in a big box like this. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, that's what it looks like. Nice. Okay. Feels pretty premium. Okay, so even their tape has the Tesla logo on it. How cool is that? So let's open this up here. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow. Feels great too. It says, once the tag is removed, the product cannot be returned. Well, I don't want to return it, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so it feels very premium, okay? And right here, it's got an engraving. It says Tesla. So I just took off the strap, which I will have to cut off with a scissor. All right, now that we got the strap off, let's see what it looks like inside. Wow, look at that. It's pretty big in here. You could fit a lot of clothes and nice. It's got a pocket in here. This is a zipper right here. You can open it up. You can put stuff in here. Let's take these out. Got a pocket up here. And these are all pretty snug, so it's like stuck to the backpack itself. You got a pocket in here. You could put something in here. Oh, look, you've got, what is this? Oh, this is probably for dirty clothes or something. Maybe you want to pack something in here. Maybe it's a shoe bag. It could be a shoe bag. Nice. Everything says Tesla on it. Yeah, I could use this as a shoe bag. Why not? Nice. Fold this up here. Put it back. So we've got a zipper in here with a pocket, and you also have one in here as well with a pocket. So you can just open this up. You could put, I don't know, your toothbrush, toothpaste, whatever you want to put in here. Let's say you want to put your belt in here. You know, you could fold up your belt, put it in here. Yeah, it feels very, very sturdy, very tough. The exterior is very nice. This is, I believe this is water resistant as well. This can hold up to about 25 liters. Also, yep, it is water resistant. Abrasion-resistant materials are being used as well. Looking at the back here, you've got more storage right here. Nice, you could fit like an iPad or something in here if you want. And it is padded in here. Very cool. So I'm just going to show you the sides here. You could put maybe a bottle of water in here on the side pocket. Going over to the other side, you've got the same thing. You've got a side pocket here as well. You could put a bottle of water. The straps feel amazing. Let's check it out. Very cool. Very nice. Sweet. Feels great. You can tighten it up, loosen it up however you want it. And I just discovered something. There is a secret pocket up here on top. So you just pull the zipper back. You could put something small in here like your phone or You know what? Let me see if my phone will fit in here. Oh, would you look at that? Keep your phone in here. You could put your wallet in here, whatever you want to put in here. That is pretty insane. That's cool. Okay. Oh, you've got a pocket up here too. Very nice. So many pockets. This one feels a little bit smaller, and it's not padded. Very nice. Overall, I like this backpack a lot. I think I'm going to use this for our next trip, maybe to Vegas. So let's see. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and also leave your comments. What are your thoughts about this Tesla Core backpack? This is pretty awesome actually. I think it's awesome. Feels great, feels very premium. The exterior part is durable. It feels durable, feels pretty premium. So I highly recommend getting this. I can't wait to try it for our next trip. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Leave your comments in the comments section. And also, you can follow me on Instagram as well. Take care.